But SPU starting to hit new highs of the day. And again, this could be a stock possibly going from bullish to bearish on the descending triangle pattern. We are starting to break SPU. And this stock has huge volume and huge potential. So guys, right now, again, we could be going from bullish to bearish on a descending triangle pattern. You guys know this pattern. We played a good amount. It's been happening a ton overall on SPU right here. It does look like we're starting to go bearish to bullish on SPU. So high alert for this stock right now on SPU, as that was starting to get picked up on the radar at around the 650 or so, and is looking for its next possible rip and its next possible run. And again, we are moving up fast on SPU, and we could possibly be seeing a nice overall pop coming on up. The stock has so much potential to rip. The stock has so much potential to climb. And right now, we're right at $7, $6.93. I think the stock has huge potential to climb. And next time we see it run, I'm saying next time it runs and breaks that $7 mark, gets back in the $7 region, that is definitely where you can look for a possible entry, because it might come back down a little bit right now. A little bit of consolidation, but I do want to keep this on high alert right here. Under 1 million in float stock, guys. We have seen the stock absolutely destroy it, absolutely take on off. Again, we are on a descending triangle pattern, as we have seen this pattern, on stocks such as HMNY. Comes back down to the triangle, gets our monster rip. TOPS comes back down to a triangle, gets our monster rip. We're going to put this on alert for that break above $7. So if it does, get back above $7, that is where we could definitely see the stock take off, because we are starting to see a little bit of an overall bull flag starting to form. So we have the overall descending triangle pattern as the stock is trying to go from bearish to bullish. We have our bottom support level, which is beautiful right here on this red candle right here. So we have it right on this red candle right here, which is where it's finding its support, and we are going from bearish to bullish. So SPU definitely is on high alert, and if the stock doesn't break out today, it's on high alert for tomorrow as well, as this is a great descending triangle pattern. And again, I showed you guys a couple of those. I can actually descending triangle. Oh, it's SHIP. So we have showing you right here when it's a little slower right now. We have HMNY. Here we go. HMNY triangle, big pop right as we go at the tip of this triangle. We have SAEX triangle being formed, descending triangle at the bottom of the triangle, where we get this nice rip, where we get this nice climb. SHIP is the one we did. Bottom of the triangle, we get our nice rip. TOPS, guys, TOPS, bottom of the triangle, get our nice rip. SPU, we are, again, right at this bottom of the triangle that you guys can see. And we are looking for that nice possible pop, that nice possible leg on up. So a possible pop on SPU, as we are going again from, if you guys look at the daily chart, we are going from bearish, trying to go up to bullish, and we are looking to see if we're going to get that nice run and get that nice climb. We have seen the stock take off in the past before. We have seen the stock rip huge. A more volume coming into this stock at the moment. So we're right back in that 715 area, which is, great to see, but we got to get into the 720s. We need that pop. There's a nice 718. There's a nice 720. Starting to move on up nicely now. Again, I like this descending triangle pattern. We need that new high of the day. Push us to the next level. Come on, SPU. So we are looking for this to continue to move on up here. Take us to that next level. 725 natural resistance line, as you guys know that. 725. We have a 25-cent spread now. So we can definitely see a lot of big time moves, a lot of big time rips if the stock moves in the right direction. Again, we are still on that overall trend line. Probably a little pullback right here. Again, we're still on this overall trend line. 725 natural resistance, looking to get that next new rip on up. There's not there. Here comes, guys. Here comes a nice new high of the day, 734. Here's that high of the day we're looking for. SPU popping up on the high of the day momentum scanner now. So SPU starting to bring that nice rip. So SPU new high of the day. We are starting to spike right here. This is beautiful. This is what I want to see right here. Best thing we can possibly do. Get halted now on SPU. SPU spiking. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 755 high of the day, SPU. This is what I wanted to see right here. Absolutely great, guys. Absolutely great on SPU. This is where the stock can take off. Bullish to bearish. 750 is a natural resistance line, so definitely be smart. But exactly as we wanted to see, going from bullish to bearish right there. Profit. But here we go on SPU. This is what I wanted to see. I love clapping my hands because that means we're doing great. And SPU is taking off. Bullish to bearish, descending triangle, guys. Absolutely great. 775 natural resistance line so far. SPU new high of the day, 775. And guys, we are ripping on SPU. This is exactly what I wanted to see. This is exactly the descending triangle pattern that we played on SHIP the other day. As we played this, look at SHIP. We played this on Thursday. And now now we're just carrying this over to SPU. This stock has huge potential, guys. Look at this overall past chart history pattern, and the plain fact is this is a descending triangle pattern, as we have been sitting, waiting for this play. 996,000 in float. That is under 1 million. I'm sure you guys can tell that. You guys are probably good at looking at numbers. It's not too tough to see. But we have $8 natural resistance. We have SPU descending triangle pattern, bearish to bullish. The stock fell from just $20. Fell from $20. Hasn't found any sort of support until where, guys? Until it hits this overall red candle. This overall red candle, which indicates its overall consolidation and new support line, comes back down, bearish, cracks the trend line. Now we're bullish, and that is where we just went for about $1 rip from around that 711 area. So KONE is starting to make a nice move right here, and we have to keep this on high alert. And KONE starting to pop off right now, guys. So this stock could be the next descending triangle breakout pattern. Has the possibility to be the next descending triangle breakout pattern right here if we can get enough attention towards it and get the stock moving. Guys, we have KONE right at a high of 625. 625 is that overall sell target as well. But KONE looking to make more, and this stock could be ripping soon. KONE, as this stock can definitely take on off. 630 high of the day. We're looking for the stock to move big. I'm excited, guys. You can see I get really into this type of stuff because we are profiting huge right now on KONE. There's that nice pop we like to see, and we are kicking off this Monday huge. This is exactly what I want to see on KONE. Bringing in some nice volume, bringing in some nice activity. Next descending triangle pattern. I love seeing this stuff. SPU continuing to climb. KONE starting to climb. This is all from the same exact pattern happening over and over and over again. Someone get me a glass of water because this Monday is on fire and I'm loving every second of it. So this is, exactly as I want. KONE popping off descending triangle. SPU popping off the extended triangle. And now KONE halted. Right now, we have a high of the day of 724. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a small pullback and then another possible touch of $7 in the near future. But right now, we had a nice rip. And again, we are still above 650. Definitely be a smart trader. If this goes underneath 650, we could possibly be seeing it, a crash on down a little bit. But very, very nice pop so far. Very nice rip so far. And we are looking for this to get back up near $7. As long as it stays above 650, we should be seeing that $7 touch. And here it goes right now, coming back on up towards that $7 mark. Orders going through at above $7 at the moment, 708. So we are continuing to move on up.